In today's video tutorial, I'm gonna walk you through how to fix missing Instagram notes. This is an uncomplicated procedure, so be sure to watch the tutorial until the end of the video and remember to like and subscribe. Let's begin by opening the Instagram app. Then navigate to your profile section, located in the bottom right corner. From there, tap on the three lines in the top right corner, then select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down until you find Creator Tools and Controls, and tap on it. Inside this section, select Add New Professional Account, and simply continue by tapping on Continue. You can choose your profession at this stage, then proceed to tap Next and follow the steps provided. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.